Yo, yo, yo. What's good? What is kicking? And we are back again with another mobile game building stream of the Yippee mobile game. Very cool. Yeah, this is part 22 in our mobile Yippee mobile game series. Yeah, last stream we did pausing. Yeah, so now we can like pause the game. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this time we're doing the game over screen. It's like actually implementing like a game over mechanic. So when you lose all your Yippee health, then it says like game over and shows you some stuff like, how many Yippies you defeated and the points you got and whether you want to like start the game again or go back to the home screen, that kind of stuff. But yeah, that should be pretty good. Yeah, let's jump into it. Oh, also it's 420. Happy 420 Blaze It Day. Yeah. I know I would say I don't encourage the drugs, but today is ganja day, man. Yeah. So I know Snoop is probably enjoying that one. Yeah. We went from meme number, like part 21 of the Yippee mobile game was yesterday, the 9 plus 10 meme number. And now we're in the 420 meme number today. Yeah, we went from one meme to the next. Very, very cool. Oh yeah, here's where we left off. So, I think the gameplay is pretty much done. And then we got the pausing, so now like everything freezes when you pause the game. So that's cool. I can go back to the home screen. Actually, in the preview, it doesn't work. Maybe it'd be better to show in the simulator. That would be better to show. Let me show that. So here we've got the simulator. Yeah. So if I were to perchance pause the video game and go to the home screen, look at that. I can go home. There's also another button. So there was some bugs at the end of last stream with the like starting the game again. So you can pause and choose to like start the game again. But I tried fixing some stuff off stream and I got it to where it'll like reset the game, but something weird happens. You'll see. Yeah, look at that. All the buttons are pretty ginormous. And then the player, when you like move right, it like goes back. It's kind of being hidden by the big left button right now, but yeah, that's what happens. Yeah, so I probably need to fix that. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate, but we'll fix the things. We'll fix the things. But actually, I think this stream I might not even fix that. I'll just do like the game over stuff first, because it's pretty similar compared to the pause. Yeah. Also, that stick dude just like charged at us like crazy. Oh my gosh, he's so fast. Oh, how scary. How scary. Maybe I need to fix their movement a little bit so they're not so scary. Yeah. But yeah, we'll fix the things as we do. We fix the things and the things become fixed. And that is the way of the dev. Yes, the game dev way. The things to fix will be fixed. And they shall be fixed. Yep. Yeah. So we're gonna do a little game over screen, a little game over thing. So that should be pretty good. Yeah. So let's just jump into it, as Mr. Philly DeFranco would say. Yeah. So here's where we kind of did the pause one last time. Here's the little pause screen. So, the game over screen is probably going to be another file under here. But actually, I also wanted to show maybe like a design of what I'm planning for the game over screen. I think I might be a little spice it up a little bit with some little drawing, shall we? So here's what I'm thinking for the game over screen. So yeah, it's like a landscape app, right? So you've got like like this to work with. Got like a little rectangle on its side. Yeah, and so for the game over, here's what I'm thinking. So, you know, you got your like, I don't know if I should draw the game. Maybe just like the game over screen. So it'll be like some game over text here, like game over. Oh no! Uh-oh. It's game over. I don't know whether to put like an apostrophe here or not, actually. Hey, maybe not. I'm thinking not for now. But yeah, it'll say like game over. And then there'll be like another box here. So there'll be like, I don't know, like, number, maybe just like enemies defeated. See if I can get some text going on in here. Yeah, so it'll be like, enemies defeated. Yeah, I guess this would be pretty like, it'll be much smaller, huh? Yeah, so we'll make this all smaller. Oh, it's a big E. Markiplier E? I don't think so. Yeah, so you'll have your like enemies defeated. Maybe a little bigger. And then below it, probably like points? Yeah, maybe. I'll put like I don't know, some number. Some number. That should be fine. Yeah, and we'll move this one. Actually, that should be alright. And then we'll have some more text here, so probably like a distance traveled. Probably. The distance that you've traveled. So that should be nice. So we'll do this. And yeah, that's what we'll do. So we'll have all these values here to show kind of like what you've done during the game. So like how many points you've got and distance traveled, that kind of stuff. Yeah. And then we'll have some buttons below. So that'll be like the same buttons that we had last time. So like on the pause screen, you got your little house for the home button, and then also a button for like starting the game again. So I have these two buttons here. Yeah, and actually I was thinking also probably like in an update, I'm gonna add another button like here maybe, and that'll be like to revive. Yeah, this will have to be an update though, because it'll be like you can click this button and watch an ad to revive. But yeah, Google doesn't let me put ads in my app until I have it published on the App Store first. Yeah, so that's where that'll be. Yeah, and you can revive with like, I don't know, like half health or full health or something. This will only be available like once, so you can only revive once per run. Yeah, that's kind of the game over screen, and yeah, we'll do that. But for now, we're not even gonna do this button. Yeah, that'll come in an update, so we'll just focus on having these two show up for now. Yeah, let's get into it, shall we? I think so. So let's make a new view here. We'll call it the game over view, and then we'll do the whole make it landscape, as we do have a landscape app. And yeah, let's start out with the text stuff. Yeah, so I've got like game over. I was actually thinking on making this like 3D text, but I couldn't figure it out in Photoshop yet. Because I did do it for the like on the start screen. You'll see the titles like in kind of like 3D text. Oh, wait. I need to uncomment this and do this thing. Yeah, you'll see on the title screen, it's like in 3D text. But yeah, like Adventures of Yippee, the Yippist. I tried to do that for like Game Over. But I don't know, like the settings didn't save when I was working on it, so yeah, I guess I'm just doing the plain old 2D text for now. And I'll probably update it later once I make that image. But yeah, let's do the Game Over text in 2D for now. Yeah, so I'll say like Game Over, and then I don't know, we can put like a foreground color. I think we've got some constants. I think I called it like K dot colors. We'll make it like dark yellow or something. We'll give it a semi-bold font weight. We'll give it a font of system with the size. We'll just make this like a 60 for now. I mean, I'm gonna change this to an image, so I don't really care too much about what I put here. Yeah, and then I guess we'll have like a V-stack to put like we're planning to put a little rounded rectangle below it. So we'll do a rounded rectangle. I'll give it a fill of, let's do that light color from the shop. Oh yeah, we also need a corner size, or I guess corner radius. I'll do like 20. We'll give this a fill of, was it medium yellow? No, I think we have another yellow. This one, I think. Yeah, that'll be good. We'll take out the spacing in between them. Kind of like that. Yeah. And then probably want to put this in a geometry reader, I think, so that we can get the right size for this rectangle. Yeah, we'll do like the width divided by 3, and the height will be the height divided by 3. I don't know, something like that. That's probably too small, actually. Maybe this divided by 2, perhaps, and this divided by like 2 also. Actually, I think that's better, probably. And we need to center this, so I think we need to do like frame, or like max width, infinity, max height, something like that. Yeah. And then I'll do our little buttons inside this rectangle here. So yeah, let's make a Z stack and put some stuff in here. So yeah, we want like 2 buttons. Oh wait, no, the Z stack will have the text, but the buttons will go below this. Yeah, so we need an H stack here. And actually we can literally just copy what we had for the pause view. Like this little H stack here. Yeah, I think so. I guess we'll need to pass like is iPad in here as well. So, and these actions as well. Okay. That should be alright. So we'll go to our game overview. Yeah, we just need like these 3. And then add these all. So, okay, I guess it did some weird stuff. That was weird. Okay. I'll make this a false. make this a thingamajig. And yeah, it should be nice. Cool. And now we'll put some spacing in between the things. That should be nice. So let's do like, how do we want to do this? Put some padding here. Like that. Oh, then it puts it. Okay. I'll just dot bottom then. Yeah, there we go. That's looking nice. And then, yeah, we'll have the text here for like, the stats from the last game. So, oh, what did I say? Let's refer our wonderful art diagram. Oh, sorry for the flashbang. But yeah, well, here's what we've got. We've got the enemies defeated, the distance traveled, and the number of points. Yeah, so we'll do that. Like points maybe on top. And then, yeah, these other values. Enemies defeated and distance traveled. Yeah, maybe put this one on top. Oh yeah, and then they're all in a Z stack, so it's gonna be all kind of on top of each other. So I need a V stack. Kind of spread them out. Yeah. Now how do we align them to the left? I think we can do something like this. Leading. Something like that. If I remember right. Yeah. Oh, but I see, maybe... I think that's okay, actually. Yeah, probably though want to put like this part in bold, I think. So in that case, I'll make them separate texts. Yeah. So, maybe I'll have a supporting view, just like text value or something. Because it'll be a lot of copy paste, I think. Like here's what I'm thinking. I have an H stack here. And I put a text for like the points. Yeah. And I do this. Yeah. And I give it a spacing of 0. And I just copy this. Yeah. Oh, where did my thing go? Uh-oh. I've got it back. Cool. And then I'll do these things. So this should be pretty nice, I think. Very cool. Yeah. So I guess we need to increase the font size. So I can actually do that on this whole thing. In fact, we could do it on the V stack. Font system. Let's do 40. Oh yeah, it's too big. 30. And then I'll do the whole is iPad thing. So that should probably be like 60 or something if it's on an iPad. Oh, I'll have to look at this later. Oh yeah, and then this one we'll do the bold stuff. I like the semi-bold. I always use like semi-bold. It's nice. But yeah. I think this will be fine. Here's where I was thinking like maybe I should have another view for this. Because it's all the same. But I think it's okay. It's not like so bad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I guess that's the game overview. Maybe I want to decrease some of the size of the things. like this square part, we can make a bit smaller maybe. I forgot, where am I doing that? Let's here. So I can make the height a little smaller. So maybe like 1.8. Or actually no, it would be like the other way, so 2.2. There we go. I have a feeling though, if I increase this number, it'll yeah, okay. Okay, so it's going beyond what's allowed in the box. Like it's increasing beyond the box. We don't want that. So what I'll do, here's what I'm thinking. Yeah, if I want these to kind of take up the same frame, then I'll just put this on the Z stack. Yeah, now it's like fitting inside the same box. Yeah. I guess I want some padding on the sides of the yellow box. So, yeah, we'll do that. So how about, let me think. Also, technically, I don't need a Z stack for this. I could just do dot background. Yeah. Let's do the background thing. Like that. Yeah. And then I kind of want to have padding also. So like padding on the left and the right. Or I guess like that kind of, well, it kind of pushed everything inward. Let's see how this looks. Like that? Maybe. Or we put padding here, or the background here. Oh yeah, that's better. I was like, why is there so much space between those bottom buttons and this text here? That checks out. I guess also we want to do this. We want to say minimum scale factor, so that there's like trailing ellipses. If there is, I guess we need to give it a frame then to make that work. So yeah, I guess I'll make another geometry reader. Geo2. I suppose. Something like this, I guess. I don't like it like going on the second line. I think I need to do, there's like a line number. Line limit 1. Okay. Now it gets really small. And it kind of pushes our text way up next to the thing. Okay, what if I take out this frame? I don't like it like moving our text. Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, they should all be like line limit 1 though. So that it doesn't like wrap onto a second line. Yeah, how do I get it so that it's like not like it doesn't push the points text back? I guess what I could do is I can put a frame on the whatchamacallit, the H stack or the geometry reader or something. Or like a frame on, yeah, the V stack. So I can make a max width or like a width. Kind of like this. How about it's putting it in the top left? Oh, that's why. So I need to do that max width thing again. I'm like, what's it doing in the top left? Oh, maybe... I need it on here. Yeah, there we go. Now it's not gonna push our text, which is nice. I'm liking it. Now, what if I give you the frame? Okay. Now, I wonder if it'll do the ellipses stuff. 0.1, 0.8. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Because I don't want it to like shrink too small. So maybe I'll give this a 0.8. Ideally, like no one's gonna have this many points, but you know, just in case they get like, see, it like shrinks automatically. It's pretty nice. Although I noticed something, it's not like aligning it to the left. Okay. Yeah, how do we fix that? So I want to center the content in here. Or like align them on the left. Let me think. So... thinking emoji. Harem. Let's think. So... I could do like an H stack or like a spacer. Like here. Oh, that moves like everything. Ah, no, don't want that. Oh yeah, this is weird. I don't like this. This is not good. Ideally, the points shouldn't be like eating up into the space of the other text. It's only doing that because it's growing from the middle and not the outside or the left to right. I remember I had this problem in one of my other apps. Let me see if I can pull the same code for this. I'm gonna yoink some code. Let's yoink the things from the old apps, stealing from myself. Pretty good. I see. I did something weird. I did something really weird. Let me try this. So I basically did this. Alignment center. Does that... I mean, I didn't think that would work. Or, oh, maybe I can do leading. Ah, there we go. Now if I increase this... Oh, nice. This is good. Now what about this text? Oh wait, I still need the I guess I need this. Yeah. Okay. I guess I need to make the whole thing bigger. Yeah. So let's make this frame a little wider. Yeah. So... Oh, what's going on here? Question mark? Maybe I need to decrease this width? Probably. Oh, I guess like a 4. It's still really eating into the text though. We'll have to do a little bit of fine-tuning. Yes. A little bit of fine-tuning indeed. So, let's see, what do we want to do here? I could just keep decreasing this width. I don't think that's the right way to go about it. Maybe some actual spacing here. Nah. I have a feeling it's because we're setting the frame on this and not this. But here's an idea. There's an idea. I don't know. This is sussy. I'm gonna try these things. So, is that better? I definitely think I need to make this wider. Or wherever the color is. Yeah, like here. Kind of like that. I also add some spacing in between them. Yeah, this is looking nice. And now let's try increasing this. Oh yeah, but it makes the other one wrap. I don't like that. Yeah, it should never make it wrap. Like itself should wrap. Like a rapper. Like Snoop Dogg on 420. Okay. I think there's a lot of padding. Oh yeah, I need to increase this width. That's what I need to do. So... Alright, I'll do that. And this I can make like a 5 now. Or 4? A 5. Give us enough room to grow the number. Yeah, now I need this on the other texts. There we go. Oh, points, actually, we can do more. How about that? Now let's try testing some big numbers. And it shrinks. There we go. And for this one, shrinking. Enemies defeated. Alright. That's not so bad. I think so. Yeah, this is alright. Maybe we can add a little more width. I kind of want the distance traveled number to potentially be pretty big. Maybe even include like decimal points and stuff like that. Maybe even units, like distance traveled, this many meters or something. I don't know. Perhaps. Let's see. Also, do we want to show like how many rubies they've got? Like rupees acquired or something. I think so. Yeah. It looks like we need to make this whole thing bigger. Or taller. I should probably need to set a height on this. Make this one 2. There we go. Yeah, why is our points thing going over? Maybe we need to decrease this number? We can make it like a 3. Ah, there we go. Or 2.5. Why not? Yes. That should be okay. Alright, I think this is fine. Yeah. Rupees, points. Do I want to say like distance traveled or just like distance maybe? Maybe just distance? Yeah. And also that number, I feel like the points shouldn't like get so small so soon. It seems to be like 2 or something. Well, then it goes on to the points label. That's interesting. Probably because of this. Oh yeah, there it is. Cool. Yeah, too many frame stuff. Okay, I think this is okay. Alright, a little bit of tweaking of the numbers. Cool. And then I feel like this box needs to be a little taller. I don't feel like there's enough space between the top of the box and like the points text. Same for the bottom. So I am... What am I gonna do? I think I am gonna put another frame on here probably. Yes, maybe I can update this one. Probably just make this like a 1.8. Ah, yeah, that's nice. That's better. Cool. I think this is okay. Yeah. And then I do kind of want like a little M after the distance. Like this many meters. We can count things in meters. Because we like the metric system. Yeah. Oh, I see a problem though. I probably need to include it in the same... Oh wait, I can just do this actually. That's actually not... That's not so bad. I forgot I could just put it in the same thing. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, and then the M gets chopped off. I don't like the potential of that happening. I have a better idea then. Yeah, I have a better idea. We're gonna still do the separate text for the little annotation. Yeah. But we're gonna put the frame on the whole thing. Or just do that. Is that good? Nah, that's a little scuffed. That's a little bit scuffed. I think it's because the fixed frame on this text. Like, it was fine when I did this. But... yeah. That's not so bad. I think that fixed it. Yeah, I think this is good. This is good. All right, I think I'm satisfied with this. Well, actually, I don't know if I want to... now that I'm seeing this... I don't know if I want to line up all the numbers on the right. Would that be a hard thing to do? What if I just did this? What would that look like? It didn't really do much. I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, I'm okay with this. So I guess we need a variable now in our game. Like, is game over? Let's see. Do we have anything like that? We don't. We still need to implement it. So we can put that under where our pause variable is. I think it's somewhere, yeah, here. Is game over? We'll make this a published variable. And we'll do this. Yeah, we actually give ourselves little instructions here. So, like, remove everything, like put the game over, view, pause the game, and remove everything. Yeah. Yeah. One problem though is when I set the is paused to true, it like shows the paused view also, which we don't want. Here's what we'll do. Is game over equals true? We'll start with that. See what we need to change. So we'll just do this. We'll add another view. Our game overview. Then we don't need this resume action. So yeah, there we go. Now let's test it out. Oh wait, no, we need is game over here? Yeah, so then we can say this stuff. Yeah. And we're also... that should be alright. Well, let's see now. So... we're getting hit by rocks. Uh-oh. Little Yippie's hitting us with the rocks. And then we lose all our health. Ah, game over. I noticed that maybe the... I don't know, I feel like maybe we want to take out some of these numbers. Or decrease the button size or something. Because our game over text is way up at the top. It's like way up there. Yeah, maybe... let's think how to do this. So let's do some thinking emoji. Let's say I don't know which one to take out though. The points, the rubies. Actually, we might not even need to take out. We might not even need to show rubies, because it'll technically be in the top left, anyway. And you can still see it. We'll just make it like dark when this game over screen shows up. Also, that means we probably need to do this game dot is game over. Like either one of those. Then this black thing should show up. I get like bonked a little bit. Oof, he's bonking me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're getting bonked. Aha! See, like I feel like I don't need to show rubies. If we can still see rubies in the top left. Yeah, it might not be needed. That's what I'm thinking. Because technically we also want to leave room for like another button below these two buttons for like reviving. So this will have to be much smaller, I think. Yeah, so we'll probably take out the rubies text. And then just have like points, distance, and enemies defeated. That's what I think. Yeah, let's take out the rubies from there. like this. Yeah, now we can make the whole thing smaller. So like, maybe like 2.2 here. Yeah, that's a little better, I think. Let's see. We'll have to die again for science. Let's see. A little double Yippee friend hug. Albeit their hugs are a bit too strong. Oof. Okay. That's a little better, I think. Now I'm thinking it's too wide. Yeah, probably a bit too wide. Maybe there is a lot of space between the points and the enemy's defeated text. And we're gonna make this box smaller in many, many facets. So let's do that. Yeah. So, let's see. How to make it smaller. Yeah, so I think there's like padding here or something. Can probably take out. I have a feeling. Oh, maybe it's because of the spacing? Oh no, I don't think so. The geometry reader is like a bit... Let's think. What could be going on here? Probably... Because there's a difference between these two, I think. Like this one and this one. It's just a padding difference, actually. So it's whatever is in here. It's giving it like extra padding. Yeah. Maybe I can just decrease the height again. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was it. I'm like, it was like padding or something. It's just the height. Yeah. That should be alright. Now we can decrease the width as well. Can make this like a 2. Oh, now it's covering our enemy's defeated text. That's unfortunate. Okay. Okay, I think we need to go back to putting the frame on just the number for this one. Like, take this out. Ah, yeah, there we go. I wonder if that's like too little space though. Let's see how it looks in the game. Because the game, it looks a bit different than the UI by itself preview. Yeah. Okay, in the preview, it's much smaller. This is fine, I think. Yeah. Maybe even less wide. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Even less space on the left and right. Like this. But it should never like eat into the text on the left. Yeah. Oh, I see, because I did a frame here. Okay. I need to increase this then. Yeah, like that. Probably. Can I center everything also? A little bit. I think default is center. But the enemy's defeated text is too big. Is Yippie's less words? Like Yippie's defeated. That's 3, 7. Oh, it's the same. Yeah. Let's think. I could just put a bigger minimum font scale on this. Or make this smaller. Like so. Yeah, now it only shows up to like 2 digits, which is really bad. Yeah, that's no good. I could put a minimum font scale on this. Then I can do this. And then... I want to make this like a 6. Like a 5. And then... I guess I could put a frame on the whole thing. Yeah. Now, why not just put a frame on the whole thing for all of these? Why not? Yeah. That's not so bad. Actually, I'm not gonna put a minimum scale factor on the on this. Well, maybe I should just do it on the enemies defeated. Yeah, then I do want this to be leading aligned. Yeah. This is really... yeah, this UI is pretty, I don't know, mundane. But it's... I don't know. Yeah, it's alright. Oh yeah, alignment dot leading. Yeah, so it's not like... They're not like kind of staggered. I think it's actually good. I don't feel like there's a lot of space though here. I need some... Oh, I had like a trailing padding, right? On the other thing? Yeah, let's do that for this. Yeah. Or like on here. Yeah. I guess that's okay. I need like a frame on this enemies defeated text. Oh, that kind of makes the minimum scale factor not make any sense. Here's what I'll do. Like this. Or maybe like this. Nah. And then... I think this is better. Yeah, I'm just playing with the numbers a little bit. Yeah, I think this is okay. Although then the enemies defeated text is always kind of small. I wonder why. Even when we don't put anything, it's like already shrunk. I guess we need to give it more space. Yeah. Do we want it like pre-shrunk already? I guess so. Let's see how this looks in game. A little bit of succumbing to the Yippee mob for science. Ah, yeah, that's not so bad actually. I don't think so. Yeah, not so bad. Yeah. Oh, there's a bunch of like room on the right that's not being used. Yeah. How to deal with that? Yeah, why is there like so much room on the right? Let's think. Because in here, there isn't really. Bro, this is like the lake theme from Platinum. Wow, that brings back some good memories. Dang, dude. What to do? How about I earn? Yeah, there shouldn't be so much space on the right. Honestly, I don't think it's so bad. Yeah. I think it's probably caused by this width not being too... Should be smaller, probably. I have a feeling. I won't think about it too much. I'll just leave it like this for now. Yeah. Don't wanna overthink it too much. Yeah. Now what I really want is to like fetch these values from the game. Like points and Yippie's defeated and like what was the other one? Distance? Yeah. Because I'm not even counting any of that yet. Yeah. And I contemplated whether I should even have like points in the game at all. But I'm doing a leaderboard, which I think will be based off of the points. Yeah, I think I experimented that with like in the earlier Yippee game sessions. Like I said, like I put like a little number in the middle at the top for like points. Yeah. I probably will do that. Yeah. Yeah. I think so. So for that, so we've got points, we've got distance, we've got enemies defeated. I guess we can work on the points or the distance and enemies defeated first. That shouldn't be so bad. So let's do... call this distance. And... well, Points, distance. Enemies defeated. Yeah. And we'll just like start counting this. So whenever we defeat a Yippee, we will like add that number. I think we have like damage enemy. Yeah. So if this becomes like if the enemy health points go less than 0, then we'll increase this by 1. Yeah. I guess we can make these all binding then. Or published, rather. I think so. Or do we? Because ideally, eventually, we're going to pull these from, like, core data. Like persistent storage. Rather than from here. Yeah. The persistent storage stuff I kind of want to do off stream. It's kind of a little bit of non-tent. It's like core data is pretty... What to do? What to do? How about... Yeah, let's just try that first thing. So I guess we'll want to pass those values in to the game overview. Like var points, distance, enemies defeated. Points, distance, enemies defeated. Yeah. All right. That should be good. And then what to do next? How about oh, should I pass them like as they should be parameters. So I need to like pass them in the preview. Yeah. There we go. That's looking nice. And then yeah, we need to update our thingamajig. This one. So this should come from like game.points. There we go. All right. And then, yeah, I guess they should be published then. So we'll do that. There we go. That's looking nice. What else to do? How about thinking emoji, thinking emoticon. Yeah, so that's enemies defeated. That's pretty much that already taken care of. Next is distance. So for distance, what I wanted to do was in our... I guess I should make like a game over function. Yeah, let me do that actually. I'll say game over here. And put that under like our resume game. Yeah, we'll say this. We'll say distance equals player Yippee position X. It'll be a function of this. So I don't know if we just directly want to take this value. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, can't convert CG float to int. This should probably be a float, actually. I think so. So then, in our game overview, this should be a float. Yes. Indeed. Oh, but look at that. It's like, we need to round it to like, maybe like, I'm thinking like 1 decimal place, probably. I forget how to do that. I think it's like string formatting or something. Round float to Swift. How to do the thing with the strings. As an extension. Do you really have to use an extension? I don't think so. I'm gonna use string init. Yeah, I didn't think so. I was looking at like some Stack Overflow stuff and they were like, use this extension. I'm like, what? There's no way that's not built into Swift. So yeah, it is. I can just do this. That's for enemies defeated. This should be here, distance. And this should be 1. Now let's say they go a really long distance. You can't see the little 0.0 after it, but that's okay. That's not the priority. Yeah, this should be okay. Alright. I feel like if the Yippee traveled that many meters though, like if we are considering this to be meters, a Yippee is probably not very big. If I had to guess the length of a Yippee, I might say like maybe 2 meters, 3 meters max. So if we're going by Yippee distances, that's quite a lot of Yippies. Like this is what, like 436,000 meters. That's like what, like 100,000, 200,000 Yippies long. Now we probably don't want to use directly the position X, I'm thinking. Although I still need to see what that magnitude is. Yeah, what else do we want to do? How about I think. What was left? Points? Right. So that was kind of something I was debating, like whether I should even have points in the game. Maybe. Like if I just put like a big fat 0 on this UI. I wonder. Yeah. I think so, because it'll make more sense for the leaderboard. I don't know if I want the leaderboard just to be based off of distance. Probably like points, like that includes how many enemies you've defeated. I don't know if it should also include distance though. Maybe points should be like distance plus like some number determined by which enemies you defeat. That could be right. Maybe. Let's see. Because I guess like I can set the points here. All enemy values. I could do that in the enemy values game constants thing. Yeah, what is this? Enemy values. That's what this is. Oh, and this is for the, this is on Yippee. So we need like points here for the enemies. Point value. Yeah. I will say this, like point value equals enemy values dot. No, we'll put like points here probably. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So give like the enemies like their own worth in points. Yeah. So we need to pull this from the points, indeed. So yeah, let's make each of the enemies worth like some points. Like the gray one might be like 100 points, and the green one could be like some more. And the red one, I'm thinking probably like 1,000 points. So maybe it'll be like 100 to 1,000. I'm thinking. Yeah. So let me set those things. Yeah, here we go. Let's do let points be an int, and yeah, we'll just set these enemy values. So yeah, for gray, I'll make this like 100, and then for this one, I'm thinking 1,000, because red is the strongest one. Like he does the most damage. Or well, he can like spawn with the strongest weapons, like the most common. Yeah, it's like a higher chance to spawn with some really powerful weapons. Yeah, so here's maybe I'm thinking like the point values for things. Probably. Yeah, I think that's fair. Maybe this like 750. This can be like 500. 250. Yeah, that's okay, I think. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, so now let's like add to the number of points we have. That should be good. That should be pretty good. So, I think, what do we want to do in... Yeah, so whenever we defeat an enemy, which I think is like in our damage enemy, we will want to not only increase the number of enemies defeated, but set the points to be enemy dot point value plus equals. Yeah, there we go. That's looking nice. All right. Yeah, so I think that should do it. So, yeah, let's see in our game what this looks like in the game over screen. So, if I were perchance to get attacked by a mob of Yippies and lose all my green health points, then let's see what will show up. We shall see. So, oh, we've got distance there. So that's interesting. That's working. Oh, we don't have the enemies defeated or points. I wonder why. Points equals enemies defeated and points. It's because it's our game over function. We're not like setting the value. I don't know about that. This seems alright. Maybe I'm not pulling them from the right place here, or in the game overview. So this is enemies defeated, distance, points. Yeah, so this is actually fine. Maybe in the game view? What are we pulling these values? Game dot points, game, distance, game, enemies defeated. Okay. Oh, it is 0 because I never killed an enemy. Or never defeated an enemy. I'll use more kinder terms. Let's defeat some Yippies then. There we go. I'm like, why don't I have any points? Or why haven't I defeated any enemies? Because I literally didn't defeat any. That makes perfect sense. Oh yeah, let's get this guy to smack us with the sword. That should get the game over faster. Ah, there we go. I got 300 points and we've defeated 3 enemies. There we go. How's that? That's not so bad. Nice. Cool, cool. I kind of want to center this though. Right now it's all left aligned and there's a big chunk of space on the right. I kind of want to put spacers around this. Yeah, I think I will. I think I will do just that. Or at least, okay, so it's this V stack is left aligned. But the geometry reader, I should do like a frame max width infinity on this. Oh, but that, okay. That's not... I'll do this here then. Well, that's not really where I want to put it. So probably... Where do I put these spacers? what if I need to put it like in here. How about I just wanna like push the text to the center a little bit. Yeah, we'll do the old-fashioned way, the H stack with the double spacers. Yeah, we'll do the little scuffed way. A little scuffed. Never hurt. Why not? We need to kind of like format this a little nicer. Yeah. Alright, let's try this. And then... yeah, we'll see how this looks. Let's go back to our game and die for science. To get a little game over. So I'll try and find some enemies with some really tough weapons. Yeah, the sticks and the slingshots don't do so much damage. Ah, there we go. The ray gun. Ah, there we go. Okay. Ah, there's still a chunk of space on the right there for the game over. Like where the distance and those numbers are. There's like a lot of space there. I was hoping the spaces would fix it, but it looks like there's something else going on. I don't know. I might fix that later because it's a bit. Nah, it ain't too much to deal with. I kind of want to add like a points label to the screen to show how many points you have. That's kind of what I want to work on. Let's do that. Yeah, because I remember I had it. This is part 22 of building a Yippee game. I remember, I think it was like one of the earlier parts, maybe like part like 6 or something, like super early on. I used to have a points label on the screen, and I took it out for some reason. I thought it was like, because I was debating whether to put points in the game at all. But now, since I'm doing a leaderboard, I feel like it makes more sense to have like the leaderboard based on the number of points you have. So I'm thinking on adding this back. So yeah, I'll probably... well, the question is where to put that label. Because we've got the number of rupees in the top left, right? But what if we put the number of points like in the middle of the screen? The problem though is like if we put it like right where the Yippee is standing right now, it'll kind of overlap the Yippee, which kind of looks a little weird. Yeah. Which is why I kind of wanted to maybe make the camera follow the Yippee, like up the way. Right now it's only following the player from left to right, but you can go as high as you want, and the camera kind of sticks on the same, like, middle of the screen. Yeah, so I think if we fix that, it won't look so bad. But that's kind of what I'm thinking, to put like a number of points. Maybe like right where this Yippie's standing, like at the top middle of the phone screen. Yeah. Either that or I could put it like under where the number of rubies are on the top left, like below that. But the number I feel like could get really long and it might look a little weird. Yeah, so I might like, yeah, probably put like a little label in the top middle. That's what we'll do, I think. Yeah, we'll just kind of copy the same code that we had for the ruby number of rubies and go from there. Yeah, so I'll do this. Create points label. Yeah, I remember I literally had this code and I just like deleted it. Yeah, maybe I should have saved it somewhere. Mega oof. But this isn't so bad to recreate. Yeah, so we'll do this like points label thing points points label. I have to create this. Yeah. I'll just do all the things here and get the things to work, and that'll be pretty nice. I don't need this. I probably want this to be in the center of the screen. So we'll do that. And then, yeah, we'll say I've already created the Ruby count label. We'll do the same for the points. That should be alright. Yeah, so I'll just do like this. Put like a points label. Make this a SK label node. Yeah. And then I forget where I'm adding this Ruby count label. I think it's when it gets added to the camera, it gets added to the screen. So that should be fine. Because we have to add it to the camera, otherwise it won't like follow us. Yeah. So, okay, this should be alright. I think it should go away now that we've created that. Yeah. So, we also need to update the points label. We've got like an update Ruby count label here. We need to make a function like this for the points. We'll probably just put it right below this. We'll put the points label. Yeah, I'll say update points label. Yeah, so basically you have to like do this to like recreate this to update how many points there are in the actual label. So wherever we're updating our points, which is whenever we defeat an enemy, we get some points. We need to call this function. Yeah, so we'll do just that. We'll put that here. I'll say like update points label. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, let's see where this actually places it. Let's see, is it in the center of the screen? Oh no, it's not. Okay, I think maybe there's some like... We might have the wrong Z value on it. Or I'm not like calling something. Let me see. So we'll check for the Ruby label. See if I'm... Oh. I see, we're not calling this function. Yeah, we should be calling that function to... When we start the game, we should add the points label. Ah, there we go. It's kind of... it's like... in the... Like, yeah, it's being chopped off a little bit. Yeah, the void outside the phone screen kind of took a little bite out of the 0. Yeah, so we gotta bring it down a bit. Yeah, he's on his high horses. We've got to bring the 0 down. So we'll do that. But I think that is like in the center. So it's like, it's in the right X position, not the right Y position. So we'll need to bring it down a little bit. Yeah, how do we... I guess we need the same Y position as the Ruby label, right? Which we did this math here. I guess maybe we want to bring this back, because I took it out here. I'll just like copy this and see if this is like the right Y place to put it. Yeah, we'll see. Let's take a little gander and determine if the thing is good. Oh, cannot find... Oh, I see, okay. I remember this. I remember this code when I wrote it and I just deleted it. Yeah, so there's no Ruby, because it's only in this function, this create Ruby label. Yeah. So I need to like literally pull the width from here and then... Or the height, I think. We're using the Ruby height. Like this is the image of the Ruby. And we're using that to place the label. So here's what I need to do. Make this a 32. Yeah, that should be better now. So hopefully that little 0's brought down to a nice spot. Oh. Oh wait, I think it's frame.size.height. Wait, did I update it in the wrong place? Oh, I did. Oh, okay. Yeah, this should be frame size.height divided by 32. Yeah. That should be better now. Yeah, now let's see if that 0's in a good spot. Okay, it's still a little... I mean, now it's not getting a little chomp taken out of it, but we still gotta bring it down a bit more. Yeah, I'm interested to see, because it should kind of match exactly with that other thing. Yeah, so this is Ruby height. divided by 2, which is frame. Oh, this should be width actually. Now it should be good. Yeah. Now let's see. Okay, that's a good spot. Yeah, that's good. The only thing I was worried about is if it's like too intrusive. Like look, like right now it's like there's a 0 on my face. But like, see if the camera followed us when we went up these stairs. Like if it was like following us up the stairs, then the 0 would kind of be like higher. So I don't know if that's like a good place to put it. Or like if I should put it like under where the rubies are. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I can try like the whole camera follows you as you go higher. I tried it before, but there was some weird stuff that happened, so I kind of abandoned that. Maybe we can look into it again. Yes, this is like the camera following the player code. It's only following it like on the x-axis, like left to right. Here's what I was thinking, like maybe if the player's Y goes beyond like half the screen's height, or like, I don't know, maybe this height, then update the Y to follow the player or something. Yeah. I think so. But it'll do some weird stuff, which is why I was like, I don't know, I was pretty hesitant about it. Yeah, let's see what this does. So if I jump, yeah, look at that. Like, see, because that way, like, the 0 won't, like, be in our face. But then there's the void above. Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know. I feel like maybe we can have the camera follow the player, but not, like, so high. And the thing is, if I go back down, now that the camera is, like, in a bad spot, yeah, I need to, like, I guess I need to reset the camera Y. Yeah, this is my first time building a platformer, like, having all this camera stuff. That's why it's like, I don't know, it's new to me. So we'll see. See what we need to do here. Yeah, so I guess maybe we can put an else here, like else. I don't know what the camera default Y position is actually. Let's see. Camera node, camera equals. Okay, this is the default Y. So we'll do this in our update. Back down here. Yeah. We shall do the thing. And that will be good. So I guess like if else we'll say camera node position Y equals this. Yeah, why not? And then I guess I want to decrease this value, like make it, like I don't ever want them to accidentally see like the black part above the background. Because that'll be, I don't know, that kind of ruins the immersion. So yeah, I'll make this a bit smaller. Maybe like that. I don't know. We'll see. Or like this maybe? I need to make it like bigger actually. This is like the threshold where the camera starts following the player. So like, yeah. I'll make this like a 2 or something. Let's see. I'm interested. I will see. Yeah, so if I go like this is pretty high. Oh, but the camera kind of like jumps to that spot. Let's make sure like that. Okay. Oh, now it's like snapping. Oh, I'm not. That is awkward. Oh yeah. Okay. So there's a couple of things that I think I know what's happening. Yeah, it's like snapping to our position, and it's also going too high. I don't want it to go ever to like that black area. So yeah, instead of having the camera Y equal the player Y, I can maybe have it equal like I don't know, like size dot height, or like, yeah, maybe like size dot height divided by 1.2. Like both of these are like snapping it though. It makes the camera like suddenly go to that position. I wonder, well, what's a better way to do this? Because I don't want the camera to like, you know, like the snapping comes from this. It's like equaling constant value. That's why it's snapping. So I need it to like equal some value that's like gradually changing. Like the player's X position. It like constantly is changing. So maybe I do want this to be like player dot position dot y. Yeah, I guess. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, this will be player.yippee node. I wonder. So if it's greater than this, make it follow it. Unless it goes to some maximum, then set it to some maximum. How about that? Like, and less than some threshold, probably. I think so. So we'll make this size dot height maybe divided by like 1.3 or 4 or something. And then we'll set it equal to the threshold if it reaches that. I think so. I don't know. Well, we'll see. That's kind of how I imagine the logic in my brain. But oh, that's a bit awkward. Okay. Okay. Looks like our numbers are a bit off. Oh wow, that's trippy. Oh man, I know it's 420, but I'm not on drugs right now. Whoa, that's wild. Okay, now let's see what's going on. What's going on? I think something in our logic's like backwards. I think. Yeah. Also, I don't know if we can like make the camera follow the player. Like, see, this is like where the camera. Well, let me see. I'm gonna comment out this code and see how much like leeway we have with the background. So we'll use the top of the castle as a reference. It's like the castle, or I don't know. I don't know how like high the background goes, because like we still need some background to be off screen for us to be able to like show more at the top. Yeah. So okay, yeah, like for example this like weird mountain structure, like I don't know how much background there is like above it that we can like show before it gets like black. Let me actually check in my assets in the background. Yeah, let's see. I think oh no, that's not the right background. I think we have another background somewhere here. I'm gonna have to, oh, this one. Yeah, it's kind of small. Actually, I can't even see it. Oof. Maybe I can pull it up on my file system. I'm gonna try and open it elsewhere. Yeah, but hopefully not do any leaking of the things. That would not be PogChamp. So let's see if I can open the thing. Here I'm going to assets. What's this called? Kingdom? BG Kingdom. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see if I can show this. Let's see if I can do the preview thing. If we can show the preview. We're doing it live. So, how to show this thing? I've never showed like an image on my stream. I gotta like set it up in my thing. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, sorry, that's like ginormous. I gotta make this much smaller. Okay. Yeah, because I wanted to see how much like space there was like above this castle. There's like not that much. There's like this much space. So that's how much we can make the camera show. Like how much we can follow the camera for the player. So there's not much leeway, but I think there is a little bit that we can work with. So yeah, we can probably do something. Yeah. So we'll see. We will see. So I think we can have the camera follow the player on the Y. But yeah, just not like too much. Yeah. So let's see. So if camera equals the thing, do the thing. Yeah, otherwise I guess I'll set the camera back to this. So I think that's why we got that weird bug. We set this to this value in the wrong condition. So we do this like else if the player's Y position is greater than or equal to this value, then set the camera to that value. Yeah, otherwise set the camera to this value. Yeah, that should do it. Let's see. We do a little testing. We do a little bit of testing. Now we shall see if the camera thing is working better than last time. Okay, so far so good. And then we go up a little bit. Okay. Oh, but now we can jump and we can still see the... Okay. We don't... So we gotta lower that threshold then. Okay. Yeah. So we want it to ideally kind of be like here is where like the max height is, like around here-ish. Like here. That's about as high as we can go before it like gets black. So that's a pretty low threshold actually. And we gotta figure out what that number is. I feel like there's a better way to compute it. Maybe I can get like the background's height or something? I don't know. I need the height of the background probably, that's better. Let's see. I don't know if that's easy to get though. Oh wait, is it? Oh, maybe it's this. Frame.height times... Okay. Maybe that's it. Yeah. Let's use that number instead of this like hard coding stuff we're doing. Yeah, let's try this. So frame.height, this is like the height of the background. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if that's exactly what we need, but we'll see. See if the camera doesn't go wild when we go up. Yeah, so we'll do this. And now we can jump. Oh, we can still see it a little bit. Little black part. Okay. So I need to make our threshold a little lower. Oh, whoa, what's going on there? Oh, thanks for the follow, Daily Dev. Yeah, I'm making a Yippee mobile game. That's what I'm doing. We pretty much have like the game mechanics done, and yeah, we did this whole game over thing this stream. So that was kind of like what I was doing this stream, but I think I'm pretty much done with that. So I'm fixing some camera stuff. That's what I'm working on. But yeah, last stream we did a pausing of the game. So that was last stream. We've got we can stop time. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, we've got like this little Yippee mobile game going on. Yeah, my plan for this is to eventually put it on the App Store. Yeah, we're pretty close. I don't know where like the gameplay's done, and then minus a couple bugs, and then I'm gonna build like a leaderboard and like a stats view, and yeah, that should be pretty much it, I think. Yeah. So that should be good. Yep. Yeah, let's see what we've got going on with our little camera stuff. Yeah, I think our camera's doing some weird, buggy stuff. So, yeah, let's see. I think it's doing some weird snapping because I think this logic is not good. So, let's kind of think through this. So, if our height is like half the screen, or like greater than half the screen, then have the camera follow the player up until it gets to this height, at which point we can check this. Oh, wait. I think... Yeah, I probably need to do this. Let's see. I still had that old number that I wasn't using anymore. Yeah, let's see. So... if I were to jump a little bit... that's okay. So there's a little bit of lag. Yeah, that was kind of some of the bugs. Okay, so we still got that going on. That's no good. Let's try and go like really high. Like there's some like bridge structures that can spawn that go pretty high. Yeah, like this is the highest we can go. Yeah, so ideally I don't want the camera to follow us all the way like up to the top. Yeah, I don't want that black to be visible. Yeah, so I think our camera's still following us when it shouldn't be. So, let's think. Maybe we don't want to use the height of the background. Maybe we'll use a different threshold. Yeah, maybe I will hardcode this so it's not like... Yeah, I don't know exactly what this value is, but we'll have to do a little bit of thinking of stuff. We'll do a little bit of a thinking emoji to figure this out. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, we'll hardcode this to this for now. Yeah. So that's kind of like our threshold. We've got... I can make this like frame.size.height. Kind of consistent with our variable use. Yeah. Camera equals camera node. Something stuff. Yeah. Let's do the things. We'll do the things. Yeah, let's just be consistent with... Yeah, everywhere I'm using frame.size. But technically you can just do like size dot and you do the same thing. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, so I go higher. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh wait, that's actually really good. Yeah, I think I like that. So it's not like so overbearing unless you're like really high up. Yeah. Let's try and go on like one of those really tall bridges. See if we get kind of the same result. Let's see. So... yeah. We gotta get one of them to spawn before we die. We gotta get like a tall bridge to spawn before we lose all of our health. Oh, here's like a tall one. Yeah, okay. I think this is good. See, my worry was like this 0 was gonna be in our face when we're like really high up. But I think this is actually not so bad. Yeah, I'm gonna see how much I can push it though. So, I don't actually know if there's like black, like a little line of black up here. But I'm gonna try and see where the actual threshold is that I'm good with. Yeah, so we'll go back down here. Yeah, I'll just like play with the numbers a little bit. As this is a lot of playing with the numbers, this development stuff. It's like, oh, how much velocity I need? How big should this be? It's like, yeah, well, we do a little bit of playing with the numbers for sure. Yeah, try and find out what this threshold is for the camera. Yeah, so we have this set to frame 1.5. So what if I make this like a 3? I think 3 is actually bad. What if I make it a 4? Will it show the black? That's what I want to avoid. Yeah. So if I go really high up, and okay. Oh, so yeah, 1.4 is bad. Like we can already see the black. So then what if I do like 1.35? Yeah, we'll try and really push it. Yeah. Oh, this is my I've got my Eurobeat playlist. I gotta play this. Yeah, I always play this playlist whenever I need to do something really fast. Yeah, back in school when I had an assignment due like 1 hour before the deadline, I would play this playlist and try and speed run it. I would not recommend that, but yeah, if you need some fast, speedy inspiration to do something fast, I recommend blasting the Eurobeat. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good if you're a procrastinator like me. Yeah. Actually, let's make this a 1.45. All right, let's see. So, yeah, we'll do a little bit of playing of the numbers and see what we get. So if I jump, oh yeah, I can still see the black. So maybe 1.5 is the threshold. I'll just keep it at 1.5 because it seems like that's really like the max we can go. Oh wait. I forgot to change this value. Okay. There's an error in my code. Yeah, so we gotta test the thing again. I gotta test the thing and make sure the thing is working the way the thing should be working. Yeah, so now we'll jump. I think I see the black like a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna set it back to where it was at like 1.5. And I think that'll be fine. I just wanted to see how much we could push it. It looks like 1.5 is kind of our threshold. So we will stick with that. Yeah. So that's fine. This is good. And our 0 isn't like in our face so much as it was before. Yeah, I just don't know, like I kind of liked it when the camera wasn't following the player, like up until I added this label. So I don't know if it's like overbearing to the player to have the camera follow you. I don't know. I don't think so. Like, is it really bad that the ground is like almost not visible from this height? I don't think so. I think that's okay. Yeah, I think that's all right. Yeah. What if you go in like a small structure? Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah. I think this is not that bad. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Do I play a lot of platformers? I'm trying to like think if I have any reference for like camera movement in games. I don't know. Yeah. The only thing I can think of is like Minecraft. But that's the camera follows you all the time in Minecraft. Well, that's like first person actually. Yeah. I don't know. I guess. Yeah, I'll see if like once I put it on the App Store, I'll see what people say. If like camera's really weird or something, then I'll maybe take out the camera stuff. Yeah. I think this is okay. I think. Yeah. It's not like that bad. Yeah, like if you jump on the ground, like the camera doesn't follow you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah. Okay. So then next, let's see, what else to work on. I think the points stuff I wanted to do. So like, yeah, what do I want to do with the points? So you defeat an enemy, you get some points. Oh, right, now we need to update that label. I think it should already be working actually. So if I defeat an enemy, I should get some points. Oh no, the label's still 0. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not so... Yeah, we'll see what's going on there. Also, I noticed the M just kind of went into existence there. Let's see. So... Thinking emoji. Yeah, why is the points label not updating? Like update points label. Oh, we're never calling this actually. I don't think. Oh no, we are. Oh, is it not updating with the right value? Oh yeah, this should be points. That's a little mistake. A rookie mistake. So now let's try defeating you, good sir. Alright. Okay, so that's working, updating the label. But the label is like kind of growing from left to right, rather from the middle out. Yeah. I forgot how to fix that. I think I might have had this in my Judge Jump at Dude mobile game. So let me refer the code for that. Yeah. I can actually show this too. Because it's on my GitHub. So we'll go to our GitHub and we shall go to the court jump slingshot and go to our code here. Or not the scenes, the oh wait, did I... Oh no, yeah, the scenes, actually. Yeah. So... Yeah, this is the score text label, I think it was. Let's see. How did I get it to like grow from the middle? Let me see. I am looking at some things. Oh. I know why this is happening. I actually... So I wanted to do it for the other thing, but not this thing. Yeah. So I have this set, horizontal alignment mode, left, and we don't want this for this label. I think that should fix it. Yeah, we want it for the ruby label. The ruby label should grow from like left to right, but the points label should grow from like the middle out. So we defeat you, sir. There we go. And now we defeat you. All right. And then let's spam our arrows, the spam strat. Let's try and get like 1,000 points. All right. That's good. Oh no, game over. We died before we could get 1,000 points. But ideally, yeah, the label would grow. And that would be alright. Yeah. So I think this is good. This is good. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, this is good. So, what next? I want to let the game pause when the game is over. That's something we need to do. So... What to do then? So I've got some code here for what to do. Well, actually it'll be in here where we do this. So I don't want to say like is pause is true. Yeah, so... Because this controls whether that pause UI should show. Okay. So maybe I just need to like copy all this. The problem is these variables. I've got a better idea then. I'll make separate variables. I'll make one show pause view. Yeah. Yeah. Well, actually, I think we run into the same problem. Let's do this. I've got a better idea. If not, is game over? Then the game is paused. Ah, there we go. Ah, a good strategy, I think. And now I can say this. Pause game. And it shouldn't like... it shouldn't cause that pause view to show up. Let's see. We shall see. So, Defeat me, yippee. Okay, and now the game is paused. Yeah, he stopped shooting at us. Ah, this is good. This is game over then. Wow. That was quick. I didn't expect that to be so quick. But we've got game over now. Uh-oh, game over. So, what's next? Yeah, I guess that's that. Oh yeah, I guess we need to implement this too. Yeah, see, one thing I don't really like is the camera follows us like at a really low threshold. I only want it to start following us when we get like kind of up here. Yeah. Let me try and update that threshold. Also, I need to check the music if it's too loud. Is it? Oh, let me see. A little bit. It's a little bit. I'm gonna turn it down ever so slightly. Is it better now? I think so. That's better. I have to like test with my second headset because I've got my stream open on my other monitor, other computer. Yeah. I think that's okay. So, yeah, what is next? The whole thingamajig with the camera, the Y thing. We need to update that. So, let's see. Where was the camera cut again? I'm having a little brain fart. It's in the update. Here. Yeah, so I don't want the camera to follow the player like at a certain threshold. Yeah, so I guess I gotta lower this number. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh, I guess make it higher, which is like lowering this because it's dividing. So, yeah, I guess above 2 and, or below 2, above 1.5. It's like 1.75. Why not? Okay, let's try this. So that the camera's not like overwhelmingly following the player. See, now it's not. Oh, but then it snaps. I don't. I'm not the biggest fan of the snaps. I think it's like either snap or have the camera like always follow you. I'd rather it not snap. So let's see. Let's take a little gander. I think it's not so bad. Yeah. Oh wait, I can still press the, like if I'm holding the button, I can still press it when the game is over. Ooh, that's a bit, you can cheat if you do that. I don't want that. So let's see. I guess I need to add a condition here, like not is game over. Yeah. So we don't let them press those buttons when the game is over. That would be very un-PogChamp. Yeah, let's see. So let's do a little game over while we're still moving. See if we're still moving after that. So Mr. Homeboy's gonna chase us with the sword. Ooh. See, now I'm holding it. I'm still... Oh my gosh, I'm floating. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's floating Yippee. Oh my goodness. We've gained Yippee angel wings and we're flying. This is the... I guess because it's game over and we've died. And now we've ascended to Yippee heaven and we've gained angel wings and we can fly now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's wild. Also, the game didn't pause. Yeah, these guys are still like shooting their lasers and shooting their swords and stuff. So game over isn't exactly finished. Although I thought that would have fixed with the pause game. Yeah, it should set all the actions to 0. I guess wherever we call this, we need to also check if the game is over. Yeah. Kind of like this. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's the right button also we haven't set. Okay. Yeah, we don't want this either. No tapping on the buttons when the game is over. No, no, no. It's a no-no. Yeah. No, no, no. Alright. I think for the most part we've got it now. Let's see. Let's see if everything kind of freezes when the game is over. So we shall see. If I keep holding down the right button, I can still hold it. So all the enemies are frozen now. But we're the only ones who aren't. Oh my gosh. I've got to somehow like stop this. Oh my gosh, we're going infinitely. Oh wow. I'm not even holding the button. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's like the ending credits of a movie. It's like you're scrolling through all the text. Oh my gosh, we're playing the game on autopilot. That's wild. So how do we just like let go of the button when the game is over? That's kind of what I want. How to implement this? Let's do some thinking emoticon and see. So if the game is paused, we want to like let go of the button, basically. How to do that? How do we enforce letting go of the button? I guess this we don't want. I think for the release, we can probably take out that check. Oh, wait. No, I'll add it back. I forgot we had this function, like move, tap, release. We'll just call it, in the pause game. Yeah, that should be alright. Now let's see. Oh, we have an error. There we go. Alright, let's see now. Let's see now if this is good. So I'm gonna drink some water. RIP voice. I think I'm good. And now let's see. So if I were to die to an enemy Yippee, what might happen? The game should pause, and ideally... Aha! It called the release button for me. That's good. Now the game is paused, and we can't move anymore. Nice. Yeah, I think that's pretty much game over. Yeah. There we go. I'm not sure what to work on next. I was planning this stream to, like, the game over to take much longer. Maybe we can debug this. Yeah, because that shouldn't happen. Also, this screen should go away when I hit that button. Yeah, so when I hit the restart game, I need to say is game over is false. Right. Yeah. Let's practice this. We'll test it by getting bonked by some stick or something. Yeah, let's see. So, okay, yeah, now it went away. Oh, we still have these pretty big jumbo buttons. Except this right one, which for some reason is fine. Although it goes invisible after I like... Oh no, wait, no, it's fine now. I think it was because of the Z value. Oh, some big buttons. Oh, I can pause the game. Oh, the button's too small for me to pause it. Hey, these are some big buttons. Yeah, let's see what's going on. I'm gonna drink some more water. Oh, dang, I just noticed I missed someone's debut. There was another VTuber, Michi Mochivi, from VShojo. They debuted like last hour or this hour or something. RIP, I'm gonna have to look at the VOD for that. A new VShojo member, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Good for them. I hope they succeed and do well. That's always nice to hear. New people in the space. Not that I'm some veteran. I started streaming last November. Yeah, I'm a noob. I'm a mega noob. And what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, there's a bug when we restart the game, the buttons are really ginormous for some reason. I don't know why that is. That's a very weird bug. Also, I can probably commit. I think I should probably commit like game over or something. Let's see. I'm gonna commit some stuff. Game over and points. Game over, points, distance. Game over, points, distance, traveled. Enemies defeated. Game over, UI and implementation. Add. Okay. I gotta do some commits. Yeah, I'm like really behind on commits. Like I think the last commit I did was yesterday, but the one before that was like a month. And I had like so many changes in one commit. It was not very well planned. Yeah. Let's see. What do we wanted to fix here? Those weird buttons being so big. Let's see. So, let's see how to make the buttons smaller. So, let's see. Let me see again. What buttons are getting really big when we restart? So if I click pause and I click restart, we got this weird bug with all these buttons. They get really big. Let's see. Let's check the code. So it's only the ones besides the right button. We gotta see what's going on there. Let's take a gander and see how to fix this bug, perhaps. So it happens when I do initialize game, I think. Or no, it happens when resume game. Yeah. So, no, actually, I think it's when I call clean up scene, actually. Yes, that's what causes it. So I do self.remove all children. It's camera node remove all children. So I guess, should I not be doing that? I wonder. Perhaps. Now, where am I adding the buttons? I think somewhere here. Oh no, it's lower. Create buttons. Here we go. Yeah, so the size is not getting set right. Oh, wait, because they're the size is correct according to the wait, I don't know if that's true. I'm trying to think, like, why would those buttons suddenly get big when they're re-added to the scene? So we remove them from the camera, and they suddenly get very large. Yes. What could be causing this phenomenon? Trying to think. Where am I setting the size? It's here. Pause button, set size. So there's something with this that's going on. What is this aspect filter size anyway? That's an extension. Texture size. That should be fine. Yeah, I'm not too sure actually. Yeah. But we did get the game over to work, so that's good. I think so. Yeah, let me test again. See what we've got going on with this like pause unpause thing. Let's see. So Mr. Yippee here is gonna hit us with the laser beam, and then we restart, and then some weird stuff goes on. Yeah, okay. So let's see. I don't know what... Like, so these buttons are fine too. Oh, and if I restart again, the Yippee gets big. Oh my gosh, it's Attack on Titan Yippee. Yeah, big button mode. That's right, Dolphin Burb. Yeah. Yeah, we've got to, like, figure out what's going on with these buttons. And the Yippee gets big. And he kind of, like... It doesn't go right anymore. He kind of, like, goes back and forth a little bit. Yeah, so we gotta see what's going on there. When we restart, we get, like, Gymungous mode. And these are all the things that get added to the camera. So it's only the stuff on the camera, like the buttons on the camera, the players on the camera. Yeah, we've got, like, I think it's something to do with that. So we got this function here, like clean up scene, and it, like, removes all the stuff that was on the camera. It's like that would be like the player and the buttons. Yeah. So I feel like it's something related to that, probably. Like, maybe I need to, like, re-add the stuff to the camera. Yeah, I'm not sure. Can I do, like... camera node, remove from parent? I feel like it's gonna error out, though. I'll see. Let me see. See how to fix the big button mode. Yeah, because that's... So if I pause, I do this. It didn't error out, but we're still getting... Now we can make a little Attack on Titan Yippee. Oh, wait. I think I jumped and he, like, went somewhere. Oh, I don't even know where he is now. Oh my goodness. Wait, so let's see. So... I don't know why they get so big. And it's also the player, too. The player is also doing that. So... As the player, we're also adding to the camera. I think so. Like, when we do create player, it's getting added to the camera. Or is it? Or is it? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, no. It's only adding to the camera once we go beyond a certain distance, actually. So... Yeah. I think that's... here. Oh, no, wait. No, that should be fine. Oh, not... Yeah, then something really weird is going on. Something most unclean and uninviting is going on. There's some gross bug. Let's see. So... It's... Because, like, the ground is fine, and the background is fine. Yeah, that's kind of weird, then. Let me see, what am I doing with, like, camera node, add child? So the labels are fine, too. Yeah, I'm trying to think, like, what code but could be causing this thing to happen. Because also the player, too. Which makes me think it's not the camera, then. Let me try that again. So if I, like, go, like, kind of far in the game, like, to the point where the camera's following me, and then I do this, so the player's fine right now. But then I do it again. Oh, wait, now the player is fine. Oh, it's so... Yeah, it's one of those bugs where it's like... It shows up sometimes for the player. Yeah, I don't know how we got into, like, the Attack on Titan mode. With the Yippee. Yeah, but I don't know if it's the camera, then. It's something to do with the size we're setting. Let's see. So player, Yippee node, size, let's see. Where are we setting this size? One of the buttons is chilling, right? That's the weird thing. It's like, why are the other buttons not? The other buttons just took some like steroids, but the button to move right, he's fine. Yeah, I don't know what's that about. Like, I didn't really do anything special for that right button. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's see. Yeah, no, I think that should be alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna comment out the right button and see. I feel like it has to do with the order that I'm adding the buttons to something. So if I comment this out, let's see. Now we no longer have a right button. But okay. But what if I comment out the left button then? Then the right button is like the first thing that's added to the camera. Yeah. So okay, now he's chilling. We've just got these really big buttons blocking our way. Oh, also the ground. Look at that. There's a big hole in the ground. Now I still gotta implement this like restarting the game mechanic. There's a little bit of and now we're like walking through the structures. We don't have a physics body. Oh, okay. Now we gotta figure out how to like restart the game then. What could be going on here? There's a couple of bugs. There's a couple. Yeah, I wonder what's going on with this this right button is fine, but the other ones aren't. This might be really hard to debug because at least from on my initial glance at this code, it's like, I mean, this looks like the same as this for the left button, but the left button's the one that's one of the buttons that's bugging. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to work on something else. Maybe do some off-screen mining to get rid of the bugs. Yeah, I might do a little bit of mining off stream. The thing was though, my plan for the stream was to just implement the game over, and like we got it done so quick. So now I'm like, oh, what to do next? Because my next stream I was planning on doing the leaderboard, but I don't have I need to set up my Apple account stuff for that. Yeah, so we've got this game over already working. So, and plus this button works. It's just this one that's not. Yeah. Yeah, progress is faster than expected with the game over UI. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I do like fixing some of the bugs off stream because, yeah, sometimes it can be like, yeah, sometimes even fixing them off stream it takes like some hours because it's like sometimes you don't think about things and like, yeah. So maybe, let's think. So what's left in our to-do list? We've got, actually I should probably update this to-do list because we've done some of this already. Enemies spawning inside structures. This is fixed. Sometimes enemies are immune to arrows when they're spammed close range. I forgot. I don't know if I fixed this actually. Let me test that. So if I like spam an enemy with arrows, sometimes they become immune. So let's test with like Let's test with some of these. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, wait, no, that's okay. Oh wait. One thing I can implement. I forgot. Yeah. I know what to work on. So we get like little points whenever we defeat an enemy. But wouldn't it be cool if like there's like a little animation that played whenever you defeated an enemy? It like shows the little points going away. I think so. And I did this in one of my other apps with it was a meme app. It was like the meme of the guy jumping at the judge. I made an app for that, and I had like this little points animation whenever you. It was like Angry Birds, like whenever you destroy a block. So I'm gonna copy that animation. Yeah. I've got a plan. I've got a plan. So I'm gonna reference that code from the old project, from the guy jumping at the judge meme project. So I've got my code here. Yeah, it's an old project. Actually, not that old. It's from like January. But yeah, let me get that like animation code for the points. Yeah. I think it was like run something temporary points label. Yeah, we'll do this thing. We'll do the thing for the enemies, the little Yippee enemies, and that should be pretty good. Yeah. I think that's all the code we need. Yeah, I'll just copy this in and put it in. Yeah, so we can get little nice little points animation whenever we defeat an enemy. I think that would be cool. A little spice of life UI update. So, yeah, we'll go to where we do like damage enemy. Yeah. And whenever we defeat an enemy, we want a little points animation to play. So I'll probably do this as a separate function, like show points when enemy defeated. Yeah. So we'll do this thing. Temporary points label. I guess I can pass in the enemy or like the points. Or let's see. Okay, yeah, we need to pass in an enemy and the points of the enemy, which actually comes from the enemy, so we just need this. We just need an enemy Yippee here. And then we'll say this enemy dot point value. And we'll make this the enemy dot Yippee node position. Yeah, there we go. I think that's everything. Oh, and then we also need to do this. We need to do with key. And we need to give this a thing. We need to give this a thing. Yeah, I think. Oh no, actually, this should go here. With key, constants, or k, game constants moving. Okay, there we go. Alright, now let's do this. We do this thing. We do this thing for the enemy. Now let's see. Let's see how this looks. So whenever we defeat an enemy, hopefully a little points animation plays. Ah, there we go. I think that's kind of cool. It's a little cool. Maybe make that number a bit smaller. But yeah, that could be cool. It's a pretty big number, so we probably need to make the text a bit smaller. But yeah, I think that looks a little nice. Yeah, I just need to make this font much smaller. Yeah, probably like a half the size or something. Yeah. And I kind of want it to go way faster. So we'll increase the speed of the animation. So maybe like 0.5 here. Yeah. I'll do a little bit of tweaking of the numbers as we do. And we shall see what the thing looks like. So, I'll defeat some enemy Yippies here. Oh yeah, that looks a little nice. I think so. And we'll defeat you, sir. Alright. Now we're getting points when we defeat him. And it plays a little animation. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's see, like, let's try and beat, like, a red Yippee. The strongest Yippee. We have to, like, not die first. I don't know if that's kind of a tall order when I'm playing with, like, one hand by virtue of being on the simulator. Yeah. Let's see if we can find a red Yippee and beat him. Because he drops, like, 1,000 points. Oh shoot, we took a laser gun to the face. Yeah, maybe I'll just try like a green or an orange Yippee. See if we get like different point values to show up. Yeah, we just see like the 100 show up. I'm trying to see maybe what like a bigger number looks like. Like 1,000, but this one's just like 200 or something. 500, okay. I mean, yeah, that's kind of expected. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Cool. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Alright. This is good. Oof. Took a little sword swing to the face. But yeah, I'm liking this. This is good. Yeah, so that's the little points animation implemented. Oh, wait, I need to test another thing. If we pause the game while the animation is playing, will that make it freeze in midair? So I'll do this. Ah, yeah, okay, so the 100 is like frozen in midair. And then it goes away. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Cool. Yeah, because I don't want it to like keep playing when the game is paused. That would look kind of weird. Yeah, okay. I think this is good then. Yeah, let's go back to our to-do list and see if we can do any other things. Yeah, we fixed this. Fixed this one. I don't know if we fixed this one actually. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we did this actually. And we also did this. Yeah, we've done a lot of stuff actually. We implemented pausing also. Yeah, we made the pause view. Yeah, wow. We got a lot of stuff off of our to-do list. That's pretty nice. Yeah, so we've got this left for the app. Oh yeah, also I need to do this. Add sound to the game. Sound effects. Like Yippee! And oof. I think so. And sword swoosh. Yeah, that should be good. Also, I'll commit this. What was that? Like the little animations? Like little add point animation when defeating enemy. Update readme. Items left to do. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, so let's see. What else is there to do? I think there are some new bugs we need to fix. We probably need to update the bugs list. What are the other bugs? So we've got fix lag when moving, when reaching a far enough distance. Fix lag. What other items do we have left? I think the lag is the main one. That's a big one. Because that has to do with how we're managing our resources in the app. Which is like, the whole app. That bug might take a while to fix. Let me think. What else is there to do? Thinking emoji. Thinking emoticon. I think there are some other bugs. Any UI bugs? I don't think so. I think that's pretty much it, actually. Maybe add more enemy spawning. Maybe fix or like update enemy movement to have enemies not launch fast off of structures. Yeah, because sometimes when the enemies are on like the bridge, sometimes they like slide off and chase us really fast because of the velocity they have from sliding off, which might not be good. Yeah, I think this is good for our items remaining. I've got persistent storage and then leaderboard, settings, stats view. So probably next stream we'll do the leaderboard, I think. That'll be cool. I'll put like a note here. Game center. This will be a game center leaderboard. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the follow, Moonblaze1. Yeah. We've got some things still left in the game. Hey, I'm doing pretty good, Moonblaze. I hope you're doing pretty good too. Yeah, we're kind of at the end of things. We've got we did this game over in our app today. So like when we get hit by all these enemies, you're doing all right, little headache due to English homework. Oh, English is the worst. I hope you get through it. Yeah, English was my worst subject in school. Oh my gosh. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I've got some good stuff going on. Yeah, this stream I did this whole game over stuff. It's like when you die, it like pauses the game and then you've got like points and distance and enemies defeated. Yeah, that was kind of like the main thing to do this stream. And then I also added like a little point animation when you defeat an enemy. Yeah. Oh, and I also added this little points at the top and the camera following the player as they go up. I did a lot this stream, like a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, because the game over was actually pretty quick to implement. Yeah. Oh, you created this all in the stream? Oh, not the whole app, just like that game over thing, and then the little points at the top. Oh, but like the app itself, I've been like working on it over like several streams. Yeah, this is actually part 22. Yeah, well, we've built like the whole thing on stream, like all the stuff. Yeah. Oh, you're not good at coding much? Hey, it just takes practice. Like, yeah, you just like do some more of the stuff, and then you get good at it for sure. Yeah, I'd say like a good way to get good at it is like doing some projects. Yeah, so like making your own projects and doing the stuff, and then yeah, and you might like it too because you like build stuff that you want to make. Yeah, it's better when you have like more control over what you want to build. Yeah. Yeah, you've dipped toes into C++ and Unreal. Oh, cool. Oh man, that is cool. Yeah, I wanna learn like a game engine, like Unity or Unreal. I think that would be better for like the mobile games, because like this one I'm making right now, the Yippee game, it's only for iPhone and iPad, but if I built it in like Unreal or something, I could make it for Android too, which would be pretty cool. But yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, definitely. I also want to learn that skill. That would be pretty good. Yeah. Because I don't want to isolate any Android users. We have a lot of love for our Android brethren. Exactly, but I'm way better at blueprinting. Oh, I've heard about that feature. Like you can like there's like I've seen what blueprinting looks like. Yeah, that sounds like a pretty good way to do things for sure. Yeah, it's a lot more visual. Yeah, because at least with this code, like I know it's like we're at like 1,700 lines, and that's controlling like all of our UI, and have to like scroll back and forth and find out how things are doing, like how things are working, and it's like I think with blueprinting you kind of avoid that a whole lot of like trying to untangle the noodles of the spaghetti code. Yeah, that's cool, awesome. Yeah, I definitely wanna pick up either like Unity or Unreal one day for sure. Yeah, I've heard Unity's kind of good for mobile stuff. I've never actually seen much of Unreal for Unity or for mobile. Yeah, exactly. I've been working on a game for past 3 years on Unreal. Oh, that's cool. Oh, dang, nice. What kind of game is it? It's like a like adventure, like 3D. I know Unreal's good at like graphic stuff and like 3D. Yeah, I'm interested. That's pretty cool. Nice. Yeah. Interesting. But yeah, I definitely. Yeah, Unreal would be pretty cool to pick up. A 3D open world adventure RPG. Oh my gosh, that sounds really fun. Dang. Oh wow, that sounds like the perfect game to make. Oh man. Now I also wanna learn how to do that. That is cool, man. That is really cool. I love adventure games, and then like 3D makes it like much more immersive for sure. I'm also wanting to create a segment where you can play in an MMO style in the same game too. Oh, really? Interesting. MMOs, huh? Yeah, MMOs are pretty cool. I play a lot of WoW myself, a lot of World of Warcraft. So I'm a big fan of MMOs. Yeah, I'd definitely play something like that. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, I'd love to see it when it comes out. Nice. Very cool. Yeah. Oh, we game devs over here. We're doing the cool stuff. Yeah. Gamers rise up. But yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's cool to hear. Yeah. I have to put that in for testings after my gold testing for the single player version. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, definitely. I'm planning on doing some stuff like that for my app too. I'm not planning on like building everything at once. I'm probably gonna do some like updates after the initial release. Yeah, because I think if you try and like bite off everything at once, it might be a little overwhelming. Better to build things in chunks, for sure. Definitely. That's pretty cool though. Yeah. Yeah, like for example, I've got this like shop in the game. Actually, let me probably better to show in the simulator. I got this little shop, and I've got like skins that you can buy. And I'm planning on adding like a tab to this shop for like backgrounds, but only after an update. Yeah, especially when I'm being way too ambitious. Yeah, yes, that's the they call it feature creep. If you constantly think of things to add to the game, then eventually Yeah, you're gonna be adding things forever. Yeah, you gotta like think on how to like break it up in such a way that you can like get little chunks out at a time for sure. Yeah, but if you got like a really big game going on, then definitely those take time for sure. I topped out at 750 features. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of features. Oh my gosh, that would be a pretty big app or a pretty big like game. Ah, I've got like apps in my head. But dang, that's cool. Dang, that must be a pretty big game. I've never built a game so big. I think the largest game I've built was an app that took me like I don't know like 7 months, and it was also another game like this. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. That must you must put like a lot of love and sweat and tears into that. That's cool. Very cool. I'd love to see it when it's out. I'd definitely play that. That's cool. But yeah, definitely like for this app, I'm gonna be like adding stuff as like updates. Um, yeah, like adding stuff to the shop and things like that. After I publish it. Yeah. I'm hoping to have it as a computer and console game that has 6 main storylines. On release, would only have one story with 70 hours. 70 hours of gameplay. Man, that is a big game. That is awesome. Yeah, nice. That's definitely a good way to do it though. If you're planning on adding like multiple storylines, yeah, just adding them later on would definitely be a better way to do it for sure. Yeah. Yeah. The other 5 storylines has 50 to 70 hours extra but has to buy as an expansion. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. Making it yeah, that's a good like monetization strategy for sure. Getting like extra stuff. Like it's not like required as like part of the base game, but it's like extra. You can choose to get it and then yeah, you unlock more content that way. That's pretty good. Nice. That's pretty good. So I'm guessing it's gonna be like a Steam game or so. It's like a desktop computer game. Oh, and you mentioned it was console too. Oh, dang, that's cool. Console games, huh? Yeah, because you can do that with Unreal, right? And a Unity, you can make for like different platforms. Oh, you're creating your own app? Oh, nice. Oh, dang, that is cool. My gosh, that takes a lot of skill. Yeah, I could never. That's like, yeah. I've like very little experience with like 3D stuff and also with like different consoles and things. It's been a nightmare. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, there's the ups and downs of the game development. Yeah, especially with like game dev is much more involved than other types of development because you've got like you have to make the assets like the images and I guess in like your case it would be like 3D objects and stuff, and then you gotta like get the sounds, like commission people or find them online, or it's like you've got the art and the sounds, and then you've got the actual gameplay and the design and how to distribute it. It's like yeah, there's other types of things that are much less involved. Yeah, exactly. The reason why I have to create my own app is because I'm creating a new indie game studio. Oh man, oh, I wish you good luck on that. That's awesome. Yeah, an indie game studio, huh? Yeah, that sounds pretty awesome. I wish you the best because, yeah, that's yeah that's like a dream, man. That is good. Yeah, yeah. I hope that goes well because, yeah, games are pretty nice, pretty nice. Yeah. Plus that way you get more resources. Then you get like you bring other people on, and then you can all make a good game together. Got Discord. I'd love to get updates on how this game of yours goes. Yeah, actually, yeah. For some reason, I haven't made a Discord yet. I should probably. I've got like a personal Discord, but I don't use it for this channel. I think I need to make one. I have a Twitter though. You can probably check my Twitter. I do some updates on there. Yeah, also on my YouTube too, like Twitter or YouTube. Yeah, I'd post like some updates of the game on there for sure. But yeah, I do need to make a Discord. Dang, yeah, I'm like behind. I still need to do some things. I know I've got like too much. Like my brain is too focused on the app, and I forget really basic stuff like making a Discord. Yeah, but yeah, I post some of the updates on like the YouTubes or the Twitter, the X. Yeah, that's what we do. Got you subbed on YouTube to keep an update. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, we do a little bit of posting of the updates on there. I think I'm actually pretty close to finishing this. Well, I don't want to put a date on it, but yeah, like the gameplay's pretty much done. There's just like some bugs left, and then I'm gonna make a leaderboard and like a little stats page. And yeah, other than that, that should be pretty good. Yeah, should be pretty nice. Yeah. But yeah, I think for now, I'm probably gonna wrap it up. Like the game over part was kind of the main thing on my agenda for today, and we finished it like super quick. Like wow, like I did it in the first like 2 hours of the stream. I was like, oh my gosh, what to do now? Yeah, I think next stream I'm gonna probably start the leaderboard. Yes, that will be good. That's awesome. I love seeing everyone's creativity. Yeah, right? Seeing what everyone else is working on is really, really cool to see. Because everyone's got their own ideas in their head and different art styles and different ways of doing things, different platforms. It's all cool to see, for sure. Yeah, I'd love to see your game too. I think that would be pretty cool. Yeah. I'll probably wrap it up though. We've got the game over working, so yeah, we'll transition out. Yeah. Yeah. So thanks for watching. This was a part 22 of building a Yippee mobile game. We got the game over working. Yeah, next time I'm gonna be building the leaderboard, probably, which will be using like Game Center. Like Apple has like iOS has the Game Center thing on the phone, and you can use that to like have like leaderboards and stuff. So I'm gonna do that probably next stream. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I stream on Fridays and Saturdays at 8 Pacific, so I'll be back 8 next Friday. Yeah, all good. And if I see you online again, though, I'll keep you updated on everything. I probably won't be on much due to being busy with homework, project work. Hey, that's how it is. Yeah, I wish you luck on both the game and the homeworks. Yeah, homeworks is pretty gross, but yeah, that's why we got the side projects like the games to keep us busy with some good stuff. Yeah, good luck on that, Moonblaze. Yeah, I hope you do well on that, and good luck with the game studio too. That sounds awesome. Yeah, I'd love to see all that too. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and night as well, Moonblaze. And yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be like Friday 8. So yeah, hope you have a nice rest of your weekend, and catch you on the flip side. Bye bye.